Discover a truly comfortable stay at this excellent hotel nestled in the vibrant yet quiet neighborhood of La Villette. Guests consistently praise the warm and welcoming atmosphere, highlighting the exceptionally friendly and supportive staff. Special mentions often go to individuals like Adrien, who goes above and beyond to ensure a pleasant experience, even assisting with specific requests such as providing a fan. The hotel boasts a range of good facilities designed for convenience and relaxation, including a well-equipped gym for your workouts, a practical laundry service, and on-site dining options with a restaurant and a bar. Its prime location is a significant draw, offering easy access to the Eurostar station and various public transport links, making it ideal for both business and leisure travelers exploring Paris. You'll find an abundance of shops and charming cafes just a stone's throw away, perfect for experiencing local life. While the overall guest experience is highly positive, some minor points for improvement have been noted. Guests have mentioned that windows do not open, and there have been occasional reports of air conditioning issues, including non-functional units or noisy ventilators that were difficult to turn off due to remote control problems. Similarly, some found the TV remote control to be faulty. Despite these minor technical glitches, which are certainly areas the hotel can easily address, the overwhelming sentiment remains that this is a highly recommended choice for a comfortable and well-located stay in Paris. The breakfast, while available, has been described as somewhat basic for its €15 price point. For practical booking purposes, a damage deposit of €350 is required upon arrival, collected via credit card, and is typically reimbursed within 14 days of checkout following a property inspection. This hotel truly stands out for its comfort, dedicated staff, and excellent access to Paris's attractions, offering great value in a peaceful setting.